Now, we're going to take up one more problem on the projections of points. A point capital P is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Another point Q is on VP and 40 mm above HP. The distance between the projectors parallel to XY line is 50. Find the distance between the front and top views of point P and Q. So it is a combination of both the two previous problems, wherein earlier we found out the distance between the top views, and in the second one we talked about, or we found out about the distance between the front views. Now we need to find out the distance between the both front views and top views. So to do that, first we're going to draw the XY line, and since he says a point capital P is on HP, obviously that should be on XY line. Since it is on HP, the image will going to be on VP. Since the image is on VP, so that becomes P dash, and you mark that point as P dash. And 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP always comes below XY line. From P dash you draw a vertical projector down, that is below XY line, and you measure the distance of 30 mm and mark this point as small p now. Then the distance between the projectors parallel to XY line is 50. So from this vertical projector you measure a distance of 50 mm. So this distance is parallel to this XY line. So this 50 mm line which we have drawn is parallel to XY line. So, and the Q is on VP. Since the Q is on VP, obviously that will be on XY line. So that means from P dash you measure 50 mm and you mark that point as Q. Because Q is on VP, obviously that point will be on XY line. Since the image is the distance with respect to VP is seen in HP, so obviously that point will going to be the top view. And 40 mm above HP will always comes above XY line. From Q you draw a vertical projector above XY line, and then you measure the distance of 40 mm and you mark that point as Q dash. Then find the distance between the front and top views of capital P and capital Q. So draw a line between P dash and Q dash, and draw a line between P and Q. So measure the distance from P dash to Q dash. So that will be equal to 64.03 when you are doing it in computer. When you are doing it in manual, it will be 64, and the distance between P and Q will be 58.31 when you are doing it in top view, when you are doing it in manual computer, and when you are doing it in manual it will be 58 or it will be 59. So now we need to solve the same problem by using AutoCAD software. So we are going to show this by using AutoCAD software. First we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we'll go for the command limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, take some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, and take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. Again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and then you press enter. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset by to the left side by 297, and again go to offset, take the distance as 210, select the horizontal line and offset to the top side, and then enter. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between this and this, similarly between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then go to zoom window, so go to D text, specify start point of text, select some point and take the height as 4, then the rotation angle as 0. Then you type the problem number 34. A point capital P is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Problem number 34. A point capital P is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP, and 30 mm in front of VP. Another point capital Q is on VP and 40 mm above HP, is on VP and 40 mm above HP. The distance between their projectors parallel to XY line, the distance between their projectors parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Find the distance between the front and top views. Find the distance between their front and top views of distance of point capital P, of point capital P and capital Q. Then go to zoom previous. Now we have typed the problem. Now we need to solve this problem. Then go to zoom window, take near to the screen, and we want to write this same sketch in the computer now. So to do that, first we'll go for the layer. Go to layer and click on new. Type the layer by name XY. Again click on new. Type the layer by name front view. And click on new. Type the layer by name top view. So here, first adjust the line thicknesses. Go to line weight of layer 0. Make it 0.05. And then go to layer XY. Make it as 0.13. Say OK. And the front view will going to be of magenta color. And the top view will going to be of red color. And say OK, and then finally close it. So go to line, select some arbitrary point and take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. So now here, then we want to take the vertical line down. So to do that, so go to line, take nearest point on the XY line and draw a vertical line. And then he says offset, take the distance as 30. So you select this line and offset here, and then go to trim cutting edge as this, object to trim as this. Then go to erase and erase this. Then go to offset, take the distance as, so from here you draw a vertical line at a distance of 50 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 50 and then take this here. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary edge and this as the object to extend, because I need to have this vertical line now. So to do that, now from here you have to take 40. So go to offset, take the distance as 40. From here you take this distance as 40 and then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this also as the cutting edge, and object to trim as this and object to trim as this. Then go to erase this line here. Now we need to put the points now. So to do that, go to donut, so 0 and take 3 and take int of this, and you take int of this, and here you take end point of this, because there is no intersection there, you take end of this. Then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Then go to line, take center of this and take center of this. So we have drawn a line between these two. Similarly, line, take center of this and take center of this now. So once you do that, now we need to write the text. So to do that, go to the text. So select some point and take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, put the caps lock on, you take XY, then switch off. P dash is on HP, so obviously P dash, and this will going to be P. Q is on VP, so obviously this will be Q and this will be Q dash. Now we need to change this. Go to CH, go to layer, make this layer as XY. So we have changed the line thickness of 0.13, all the projectors of 0.05. Now we are going to take this front view. Go to CH, go to layer, make this as the front view, and then you select this and you select this. Go to CH, make the layer as top view now. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, so you place it appropriately. Then you take P, then you take P dash, then Q dash here. Now we need to change the dimensioning variables. So DDIM, so go to modify, make this as 0, then go to text, take it as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, and this dimension is 2, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and the lines offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and say close. Now we will go for dim, take center of this and take center of this. So dim, take center of this, take center of this now. So we're going to get 30. Again, center of this, take center of this. So we're going to get 40. Then center of this and take center of this. So here, go to text, give space, enter, and place it wherever you want. So this is the distance between the top views. Then go to center and you select this as the one more center. So go to text, so give space and enter and you place it wherever you want. Then go to escape, then move and you move this P dash somewhere here so that you will going to get the clarity. Then go to text, so here you mark it as capital L1 equals question mark, and here text capital L2 equals question mark. So that means the distance between the front views, so you just rotate it, and the distance between this, select objects, you take them, place it here. So move L1 and place it here, and L2 you place it here. Now by using the distance command, you find out the distance between the center of this and the center of this. So obviously it is 64.03. So the distance between the front views is 64.03 mm. So hence your problem is right. Similarly, you just go to distance, take center of this and take center of this. So here it will give you 58.31. So what is that? It is 58.31 mm. So this is how you will be able to get this answer. So go to text. So here you type answers. So you go to text, type L1 equals 64.03. So you type 64.03 mm. Then go to text again, or you copy the same thing again. Go to copy, select this and copy it for the next point. Then go to edit. This is one more way of doing it. So here you type L2 and this is 58.31. So here you type 58.31. So this is how we can edit that. So then you just go to ortho mode. So you put it in a box now. So there are several methods in which we can be able to do these drawings, and as far as possible you have to try to do it in very limited time of the drawings, so that you will be able to do it faster. Then go to move and place it appropriately, and this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.